Hi, my name is Isaac van der Westhuizen, and I'm going to make a video and post it on YouTube to convert any age between 0 years and 120 years into days. I'm talking about a calendar or Gregorian years. So it's a simple unit conversion that I will do on each year between 0 years and 120 years. So let's begin. I will do it about every second. And I'm using a round function. So basically, I say my age equals days. That's a unit I want. I want it in terms of days, and then I say my age equal round 0 year Gregorian, comma the quantum is 1 day. So it will round it to the nearest 1 day. But it will be the actual Gregorian year that it will take in terms of time. So let's begin at 0 years. That is 0 days, obviously. And then I will go up every second, about every second, to 120 years. So you shall see my age equals 0 days. Final answer. Okay, 1 year, 365. It's rounded to the nearest day quantum, so it's not 365.25 at this stage, but that 0.25 is actually taken into account. Obviously, a Gregorian year is not an actual year, it is a calendar year, okay, which is actually our real age. We measure time in Gregorian years using a calendar, not solar years or Julian years anymore. Okay, let's continue. So let's start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 years. You will see it's an actual year that's been computed in terms of days. 5, 6 years, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Okay, to 120. 11, so just pause a video on the age you want in terms of days. So this covers all the years between 0 and 120 years. 100 years. $110. Very old. Okay, we finished. So I'm going to stop the video now. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know most people are too lazy to compute age in years, recording years into days, so this video makes it easy. Just pause a video at the age you want to know the amount of days. So if you are 32, you pause it on 32 years Gregorian and you can see the number of days you are old. And it will be very close to the actual age on your birthday. Okay, have a lovely day. Bye.